To complete better this puzzle, we're gonna teach you as well here how to say the time in Spanish. In Spanish, if we want to ask what time is it, we need to ask ¿Qué hora es? And literally we are asking what hour is it? Because hour is a female noun, when we answer, we're gonna say is the female the. So now that we identify the article that we need to use, we're gonna decide either the hour is singular or plural. So if you're talking about 1 and whatever comes after 1 until 2, because there's only 1 hour, we're gonna say la, which is a female singular. ¿Qué hora es? What time is it? Let's say is 1. We need to say is the 1. So es, because it's singular. La, because it's female. Hour. Una. ¿Qué hora es? Es la una. What happens if it's more than 1? So we need to make everything plural, because from 2 to 12 or to 24, depending on which clock are we using, we need to say are the 2, are the 3, are the 4. So imagine what time is it? It's 4. So ¿qué hora es? Plural verb son. Article plural las, because remember we're talking about the hours. And number 4. ¿Qué hora es? Son las 4. Because we are learning, I put you a chart, a content chart, with 2 options. One is what are we going to say after naming the hour? We can say o'clock and a quarter and a half, 3/4, or if we know numbers, just the number. How do we say it's 1.5? Es la una y media. Then, because we are learning, I want you to add in the early morning or in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, in the night. In Spanish, we don't have a different word for evening and night. We just say the same, which is noche. So what you're gonna say is, for example, what time is it? And I want you to say it's 1.5 in the afternoon. How do we say it? ¿Qué hora es? Es la 1:30 de la tarde. So this is important because this is the way we're going to say the hours always. There's no change on this. It's the same structure. The only thing that changes is if it's singular or plural. For example, let's say 2.5 in the afternoon. ¿Qué hora es? Son, plural, son las 2:30 de la tarde. So the rest is the same. What happens if we want to ask at what time something happens? For example, at what time do you eat? What's going to happen, instead of answering is the, we need to say at the. If they ask you at what time do you eat and you want to answer at 1.5 in the afternoon, we're going to say ¿a qué hora comes? A la 1:30 de la tarde. Again, if they ask you at what time do you eat and you want to say at 1.5 in the afternoon, it would be ¿a qué hora comes? A la 1:30 de la tarde. If someone asks you at what time do you eat, you want to answer at 2.5 in the afternoon, you need to say a las 2:30 de la tarde. So it's the same like saying the hour. Instead of is the, you're just gonna say at the, and the rest is gonna be the same.